Welcome back to HB Car Review, where we bring you the latest and most exciting updates from the automotive world. Today, we're taking a close look at one of the most anticipated compact SUVs of the year, the 2026 Volkswagen T-Roc. This new generation model blends bold styling, premium interior upgrades, and modern tech, all wrapped up in a compact yet versatile body. So, whether you're a daily commuter or someone who loves weekend getaways, stay tuned because the T-Roc might just be your next ride. Let's begin with the exterior. The 2026 T-Roc has received a major facelift, giving it a more mature and dynamic look. From the front, you're greeted with a bold, wide grille, housing a large, unmistakable Volkswagen emblem. The full LED matrix headlamps are sharper than ever, with a new signature daytime running light design that stretches toward the grille, giving it a high-tech, aggressive front-end presence. The bumper has been resculpted with sportier air intakes, and depending on the trim, you can get chrome accents or blacked-out details for a more rugged or urban feel. From the side, the proportions remain compact, but the new sculpted lines give it a sleeker profile. Larger alloy wheels, ranging from 17 to 20 inches, fill the arches beautifully, and the aerodynamic touches, like the integrated roof spoiler and subtle side skirts, improve both looks and efficiency. The rear sees redesigned LED taillights and a more defined tailgate structure with a sporty rear diffuser-style element. Now, step inside, and you'll immediately notice Volkswagen has taken a leap forward in terms of interior quality and design. The cabin is a mix of premium materials and tech-focused elements. Soft-touch surfaces, brushed aluminum trims, and ambient lighting strips set the tone for a modern and upscale experience. The centerpiece is a large floating touchscreen infotainment system, now up to 12 inches, which supports wireless, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Below that, touch-sensitive climate controls add a minimalist, clean vibe to the dash. The driver's seat feels commanding, with a fully digital cockpit that offers crisp graphics and customizable layouts. The new flat-bottom steering wheel adds a sporty touch and integrates touch controls as well. Space-wise, the T-Roc offers impressive legroom and headroom for a compact SUV. The rear seats are well cushioned and suitable for adults, while the boot provides enough capacity for everyday use, road trips, or your weekend adventure gear. Under the hood, the 2026 T-Roc offers a mix of turbocharged petrol and mild hybrid options. The 1.5-litre TSI engine delivers a punchy 150 horsepower, paired with a smooth shifting 7-speed DSG transmission. The mild hybrid system boosts efficiency and gives you that extra torque when you need it. For those looking for more thrills, the sportier Arline variant offers a more powerful output and sport-tuned suspension. Driving the T-Roc feels confident and composed. The steering is precise, the ride quality is comfortable yet responsive, and the noise insulation has been noticeably improved. Whether you're navigating city traffic or cruising on the highway, the T-Roc delivers a refined and enjoyable driving experience. As for pricing, Volkswagen has managed to keep the T-Roc competitive, starting around $30,000 for the base model and going up to $42,000 for fully loaded trims. It offers strong value considering the premium feel, advanced tech, and safety features. Optional packages like the panoramic sunroof, adaptive cruise control, and premium audio system allow you to tailor the SUV to your exact needs. So, is the 2026 Volkswagen T-Roc worth it? If you're after a compact SUV that doesn't compromise on style, comfort, or performance, and now with a more luxurious and connected interior, this might be one of the best options on the market. Thanks for watching HB Car Review. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you in the next one.